This video explains how to buy shares of Rocket Pharmaceuticals Inc., a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company developing gene and genetic therapies for rare diseases. Rocket Pharmaceuticals trades on NASDAQ under the ticker RCKT, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you must use an online broker. I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker RCKT to locate the company listing. Select the matching Rocket Pharmaceuticals result to open its asset page. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it is the correct stock. Verify the listing shows NASDAQ and the RCKT ticker before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next market session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, your position will appear in your portfolio view so you can monitor it. For convenience, the link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.